Alright guys, we out here today. Tons of leaves everywhere. And this guy is actually one of my first customers off of Google. Might have been my second customer off Google, first or second. And when I met him, his mower broke down. And I had turned him on to my mower guy. Told him I'd turn him on to my mower guy instead of me having to come out and cut it. But he ended up being one of my customers. So got some leaves we're gonna get. I'm gonna start in the back, work my way back around front. So you guys where it ends at. Over there. Holler at them.
Start smoking.
Show you a trick when you get to spots like this, how to get this up out of there. You want to go in a circle of motion. Alright guys, here it is, 2023 season. And for me, I'm going into year number 4 for myself. And man, it's been great. It's been a great journey going through this lawn thing and growing this business. But one thing I want to talk about today is, man, I need more income. And I got to save some money so some money can save my butt. So I mean, we run these businesses, man. We do this lawn care, we mow, we trim, we blow. Guys landscape, throw in mulch, do all this. And we never really heard about the business side of things, man, as far as the money goes. We heard, but there really needs to be an emphasis put on the money, man. As far as the money, it's a must. Your business is like, I heard a guy say it's oxygen. Oxygen for your business, money is. And when you don't have any money coming in, or you making money just to barely stay afloat, or you just getting by with it, it's like you can't breathe, man. The money is oxygen for your business. And without oxygen, you can't breathe. It's gonna suffocate. You need to get some air. Get more green money, get more credits, and more debit cards, and more checks coming into your accounts. Alright, as far as making more money, number 1, living expenses. You need more money because of your living expenses. If you're only making 50K to 70K, you're just making it, man. Because things have got higher, the price has gone up, the cost has gone up of everything, and everything's getting a little more expensive. Now maybe a couple years back, 3 years back, maybe you can make it with 50, 70K. It'll do you fine just to have that. That right there could probably get you through and have your business doing pretty good. Far as a solo guy making 50 to 70K, but with the price of everything going up, man, you got to make more money. So what if you're making 50 to 70K and then you got a truck payment, you're making payments on your equipment, you got your rent payment, you got your mortgage or rent, you got your insurances, you got your regular lights, water, gas, food. These are all regular expenses. So you got to make a little more than 50 to 70K, man, if you want to be able to keep float and keep moving. That's just in my eyes. So the next thing I would do, man, is get out of debt to stay out of debt. Pay cash for things. If you make less than 100K, it's going to get ate up, man. It's going to get ate up in your bills. It's going to get ate up in payments. It's going to get ate up in everything else, man. So if you make less than 100K, don't make a payment. You can pay you some cash and you can just ride out with that thing until the situation gets better or gets greater later. Number 3, for me, emergency fund. Very important. 6 to 9 months worth of emergency fund money. Anything could happen out here. Last year, man, I caught a toe infection. I got that toe infection. That toe infection put me down for the rest of the season. I didn't get to work again for maybe 2 months, 2.5 months. I had jobs that I had missed. And actually this job right here, the guy actually held out on me and just waited till I got around his leave. So I was fortunate to get to his leaves last year. So 6 to 9 months, man, of emergency funds just in case. You never know what's gonna go wrong. And if you got it, I mean, wouldn't it be great just to know you had it, just in case, even if you didn't need it, it's there. So 4, man, you need to make more income. You got to start charging more for these lawns, or you got to start finding better quality customers to where you can get that price up to where you're actually making profit. You don't want to be breaking even. You want to be making profit. You need more income. And in the summertime, man, besides doing lawn services, I have a bounce house that I rent out. Now, usually I got that thing rented out on a Friday and Saturday, sometimes a Sunday. So if I get it rented out Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that's my extra money. That's extra money right there for me. I got that thing for a nice deal. I bought it from my aunt and uncle. They hooked me up with a nice deal. It's been profit ever since then. So if you can, find another way to make some more income. And if you have your job, don't quit your job. Do not quit your job until your job can take place of the income that you have going on for your lawn service. And number 5, I got to get out of all of this, man, and make more money, because I want a better quality of life, fellas. I want the best, man. I want to live in the best. I want to eat the best. I want my kids to have the best. And that's another reason right there why I have to make more money. So make more income so your money can save your butt out here. That's just me. That's what I'm going to do. Alright guys, I'm going to go use, see, we got $3 here and some change. We're going to see what tools we can get out of Harbor Freight. Guys, Harbor Freight can almost be like one of your best friends when it comes to little simple tools with your lawn care. So we're gonna go in here with this and we're gonna see what we can come out with off our coupons. So guys, that's what I came out with. Got these for, I'm gonna keep these for my impact driver that's in the house, little kit. Use that around the house type thing to unscrew stuff, screw stuff in. Funnel set. I always use this for oil and just fluids, period. Got this C-clamp. We'll use that to, when I get ready to tighten my blades up. Use that for my blades. And you can always use a box cutter, guys. So, got that. I think it was $10.59 for everything. So, make Harbor Freight your good friend. Save all the money that you can.
Start smoking.